out here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm in a subdivision where we have 6 great opportunities. The opportunities are, it's still a ground up build. It's on a slab, so it takes us about 120 days, 3 to 4 months tops. What you can do with this ground up, you can still choose selections. So that's great. How cool is that? They're running some great incentives, extra incentives. You can get $7,500 towards your closing costs. You can get a move-in package. That would be the blinds, the stainless steel refrigerator, and the garage door opener. How cool is that? That is usually not offered when they're just starting a sub. You might see some promotions like that when the sub is closing out. All in this one subdivision located in the city of Atlanta, a great spot, close to the freeway, close to the Camp Creek Marketplace. I don't think it's nothing else you can ask for. You can get in here as little as $250,000. That's today. We have 6 opportunities that will give you those extra incentives, but you have to act now. The floor plan that I'm showing you today is called the Brookwood. The Brookwood is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, but you have the option to get another bath. We have great amenities, we have basketball, we have the play area for the smaller children, we have your swim and your tennis. How cool is that? Something for everyone. So, if this is something of interest and you want to move right in the city of Atlanta, right off of Butner Road, in the Camp Creek Marketplace area, give me a call, 770-885-3790. Again, this is D. Lowe. I'm bringing you a property out here in the city of Atlanta. Take care.